Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the stack card block with aBlocks. To get started, first open the section of your website where you want to display the stacked card. Next, simply search for Stack Card in the block inserter and add the aBlocks stack card block to your page. Let's dive in and see how you can customize it to create stunning content layouts in just a few clicks. Once inserted, you'll notice some default content is already there. Go ahead and delete all the default items so we can start with a clean layout. Now, within the same card, insert two containers side by side. Make sure to set the container direction to row so the content is aligned horizontally. In the first container, we'll begin customizing the content. First, I'm adding a heading block and entering my desired heading text. Next, I'll insert a paragraph block just below the heading and add some text to give more context. Lastly, I'm adding a button block, and I'll tweak the style a bit to match the overall design. This gives us a clean, informative layout for the first side of the card. Now, moving to the second container, I'm uploading an image that complements the text content. Once added, I'll adjust the image width to make sure it fits perfectly within the layout. Using the same approach, I'll go ahead and customize the next two stacked cards. For each one, I'll follow the same steps: adding containers, inserting text content, and uploading images. After adding all the content, let's take a moment to fine-tune each stacked card. Start by selecting the stacked card block, then navigate to the General tab on the right sidebar. First, you'll see the transition effects drop down. This allows you to choose how your cards animate as you scroll or hover, great for adding subtle motion and engaging user interaction. Next is the sticky top value. Use the gap between cards setting to control the vertical space between each stacked card. Then we have card height. You can manually set how tall each card should be. And finally, we have card width. This allows you to set how wide your cards appear within the section. From the stack card section, you can easily add or remove items based on your design needs. Once you're happy with the layout and content, don't forget to click the Save button or publish the page. And that's it. You now have a beautifully designed stack card section on your website, powered by aBlocks. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building stunning pages with aBlocks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.